Hello friends, students and colleague faculty. Greetings from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. I would share briefly about importance of quality improvement methods. Quality improvement is a tool for improving healthcare delivery for better experience of care. It focuses on improving processes of care, thus ensuring safe, effective, efficient and timely care. Quality improvement adds value to quality assurance, which focuses on infrastructure, standardized guidelines, manpower, and it is done on periodic basis as part of accreditation of healthcare facilities. Availability of skilled, competent healthcare professionals and resources to run are crucial for any operational healthcare system. As a healthcare professional and as a student, we all need to learn the tools, methodology and practice quality improvement in day-to-day basis. By doing so, you will learn a new problem-solving approach, how to lead a team, data collation and analysis, testing change ideas and tracking the progress. This will give you immense joy and satisfaction. Quality improvement gives equal dividends like research, often more by immediate appreciation by patients and colleagues. One can publish the work in high impact journals, share and spread your good work by collaborative approach. AIIMS New Delhi has developed a simplified 4-step approach called POCI, Point of Care Quality Improvement for Healthcare Settings. This has been well tested in Southeast Asia region and shown to help in improvement of best effective practices by teams. Also leads to safe and efficient care at low cost. Our learnings in last 5 years at our institute suggest quality improvement can be done within the existing resources. What you need is a willing champion. Measurement and data collation is the key to show improvement and needs tracking over time. There has to be buying in by the leadership and support by local heads of units in the department. POCI package is a valuable tool for all national programs, be it tuberculosis, Lakshya program for improving maternal and newborn health, facility-based newborn care, non-communicable disease prevention, and must be embraced on priority by each and every healthcare facility. Being a management approach, this can add value to ensuring universal healthcare coverage for the nation by strengthening the health systems. Thank you.